How to use Cryptohopper trading bot. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use Cryptohopper trading bot. First, sign up on their website and log in. Next, link your cryptocurrency exchange account by generating API keys in the exchange settings and entering them into Cryptohopper. Then, choose a trading strategy or create your own. You can customize it using indicators like RSI or MACD to automate trades based on the market conditions. Now, configure the bot settings, such as trade pairs, trading amounts, and risk management parameters like stop loss and take profit. Activate the bot, and it will start executing trades according to your settings. Finally, monitor its performance on the dashboard and make adjustments as needed. Cryptohopper will manage your trades 24/7. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.